harmony are synonymous. They go hand in hand. Our core values and core beliefs emphasize the need of harmony. Harmony with God, with oneself, with others. Harmony with nature and the whole of creation. No wonder our ancient Vedic saints and sages, who had discovered the secrets of life and also mastered the mysteries of existence, have said in the Shanti part that peace is not selfish. Only when there is peace in the skies and in the heavens above, in the waters on this earth, in the trees, herbs and the forests, in the air and everywhere, when there is peace, peace and peace alone in all of us and in all beings, only then we will feel at peace. Peace cannot be selfish. It is only when there is peace in everything and everyone are we at peace. We need to remind ourselves that we keep shouting, protect nature, protect environment. But from whom? From ourselves. How ironic. At no point in history have human beings been more aware of the importance of environment and ecological harmony than today. And yet, we choose to do nothing, rather continue to destroy it. So let us value nature by worshipping it. Who doesn't love the warmth of the sun, the freshness of the cool breeze? Who doesn't love the taste of clean water or the beauty of greenery? We all do. But now a time has come to express our love through the values of worshipping nature. And it is not wrong to worship nature. In this modern age of materialism, do we not worship our possessions? Whether it's a mobile or a motorbike or a car, every little gadget that we possess, we daily or ritually, virtually take care, clean, upgrade. That is worship. If we can so readily worship material objects, why should we not worship nature that protects us, that has created us? In the Hindu Dharma, we always refer to nature as Mother Nature and earth as Mother Earth, because we were born out of nature and have been nursed in the lap of nature. So let us participate wholeheartedly in this Worship Nature campaign by Hindu Spiritual and Service Foundation. Wherever you are, if you have a small tulsi plant or a tree in your garden, gather the family by maintaining all social distance and all health protocols and perform an aarti or a puja. When we get together and show respect to nature, remember, if we value nature, nature will value us. If we respect nature, nature will respect us. And if we protect nature, nature will protect us.
प्रमुख स्वामी का यह संदेशा, प्रमुख स्वामी का यह संदेशा, प्रमुख स्वामी का यह संदेशा, प्रमुख स्वामी का यह संदेशा। गांव गांव घर घर में जाओ, गांव गांव घर घर में जाओ, गुरु मंदिर निर्माओ, एकजुट हो राष्ट्र भावना कन कन में प्रगटाओ, पत्ते पत्ते स्वामी नारायण गावनम है यहाँ सबन का अभिवादनम। है।